Welcome to the Kid Next Door. So as we all know, our Independence Day is coming soon. Today we will be having an India themed drawing, and along with me I have Yuvaan, who is only 4 years old. So you will see that how easily this beautiful impressive scene can be drawn. Let's get started. So on your drawing sheet you keep it in the sleeping position, and then on the left side you have to draw a small circle like a face. Then we will draw the hair of this girl, as you can see. And then we'll have two tiny eyes and a smiley face. Lovely. Now we'll draw the dress of the girl. So we'll draw a slanting line from one side of the smiley face and the other reverse slanting line from the other side of the smiling face. Then we'll join the two lines, draw two legs and then shoe, a sleeping line and the shoe, two arms and two hands. Lovely. Now on the same line on the right hand side we will draw the boy. So a circle face with tiny hair, two tiny eyes and a smiley face. Now we'll draw the body of the boy. A C curve, a reverse C curve to make the body, two standing lines, sleeping line and shoe, sleeping line and shoe, two arms and two hands. Good job! Now we'll draw a standing line near one hand of the girl and another standing line near the hand of the boy. We'll join the standing lines from top and the bottom. Now we'll draw two more sleeping lines and a circle between them. Now, because you see that Yuvaan messed up in the lines a bit, I'm erasing it for him and he will draw again. So it's okay if you are making some mistakes, you can always erase and draw again. And you see this time he drew so beautifully. Then you draw a plus sign in the circle and a cross sign in the circle. So you will have India flag, right? Now let's draw three lines coming out of the other hand of the girl. Over these three lines, we will draw some balloons. See how nicely Yuvaan has drawn the balloons? Same we will do for the boy. Three lines coming out of his hand. And balloons. Balloons can be big or small, doesn't matter. Different balloons are of different sizes, so that's okay. Now our scene is complete. We will write Jai Hind on the top. So you have to follow the letters that I am writing. Jai, then leave some space and write HIND. So if you make some mistake, you can always erase and write again. Okay, write in big capital letters. So here the scene is ready. Isn't it looking amazing? Let's get started with coloring. We are using pencil colors and we will use the colors of our Indian national flag. What are the colors in the flag? The colors are saffron or orange, white, blue chakra, and green. So we are first doing everything orange. So we'll do one of the top balloons orange. We'll do the top part of the flag orange, and we will color the dress of the girl also orange. Then we are going to pick up our next color. So here we are taking green. We colored the bottom part of the flag green. And we also color the dress of the boy green. We must always color in the same direction without leaving any white patches. Then we'll color the third balloon also green. We'll leave the second balloon white. We'll color the blue chakra. And finally, we will color the shoes and the hair of the girl and the boy black. In this way, the scene is complete. Yuvaan is still coloring. You can see how nicely he colors. Every time he is coloring the outlines first, and then he colors the inside part in the same direction without leaving any white patches. Also, make sure that the color doesn't come out of the object. So you see how nicely he is coloring? I'm sure you all are coloring equally good. Do share your drawings on our Facebook page and comment below if you like our tutorial. If you're looking for a specific drawing, please write to us in the comments of this video. We'll try and send to you. So in this way, our pictures look really great. I'm sure your teachers, your parents are going to love it and appreciate it. So Jai Hind everybody. Don't forget to subscribe us. Bye-bye.